Now I will draw the top view of this. Front view we have drawn it, so it is drawn. Now top view, in the top view what you will see, so you can see again this 100 mm dimension, 60 plus 20 plus 20, and one more thing you can see, one other dimension is the depth. That depth is here you can see. Okay, then so the depth here you can see, it is radius is 20, then 20 plus 20 it will be 40 then. Okay, now I will be drawing. I will be first projecting it in the upward above the xy. Draw the vertical projectors through this as usual we have been doing. Okay, now I will be drawing the top view above xy. Okay, so these are the vertical projectors that will be useful while drawing the top view. Okay, now you can also extend this center line so as to find out the center of the hole. You can also extend these center lines because you have to make the holes as well in the top view. Now here you can see in the top view it will be again 60. First you have to mark 60 and then there will be two radius both sides, 20 mm both sides. Okay, first it is 60 mm. Again you can take this 10 mm above this xy. So I am marking here. So this is 10. Now you can mark it this 60 mm. Here you can say this is 60 mm horizontal line. Okay, so this is 60. And next is you can take here the 40 mm. So this is 40 mm, 40 mm both sides. Because it is radius is 20, then it will be 40 mm. Double of this. Okay, and then you can join this horizontal line. Okay, and then you have to use compass here. So with this center, you can find out the center here. It will be 40 by 2, 20. You can take it as 40 by 2, it is 20. Okay, and then it will be, you can draw this radius 20. You can draw another arc of radius 20. Okay, so simply you can take it from here as well. So it is 20. Okay, it is complete. Okay, similarly on the other side, you can also do it on the other side. Just I am checking. Yes. Okay, so this is okay, and then it will be inner circle, the inner slot. Okay, in the top view, yes, 8 mm slot will be there, 8 mm slot that will be also there. So this is going to be there. You can see here the 8 mm slot that will be flat. It will be continuous thick. Okay, so this is 8 mm slot, and then there are two circles now, 12 mm diameter. Okay, 12 mm diameter. Now I will draw two circles of 12 mm diameter, means 6 mm. You can take 6 mm radius. So I will take 6 mm. Okay, so it will be 6 mm radius. Okay, and then again it will be 6 mm on the other side. I'm drawing 6 mm. Okay. Now you can see there are two circles. Okay, and one circle is also there. Third circle that is not visible. Okay, so this third circle will not be visible. Okay, so this will be hidden. That will be 25 from the base. Okay, and 20 from the in the top view. It is not visible. Okay, so now it will be in the center, of course, and it will be, yes, 20. It is 20, and in between center line is there, and then you can find you have to draw a 12 mm slot. That is, it will be cylindrical in shape because it is there. Yes, now it will be now you need to draw the center line. Okay, through all these circles. And it is 12 mm. You can measure 6 mm both sides. 6 mm both sides you can measure. Okay, and then you can draw the dash lines because it is hidden. This circle is hidden in the top view. Now this is complete top view. Now I will be doing the dimensioning only. So this is the dimensioning. Okay, so I have done the dimensioning as well. Now you can also add, this is the third angle projection. You can write front view here. It is below xy. Okay, and the top view is here above xy line. So I am using the aligned system of dimensioning, so you can check. So I think all the dimensions are there. Thank you very much. I hope you got it.